welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra, and today I'm going to show you my tablescape for Valentine's Day. So this tablescape was inspired from the conversation hearts, so I went with those colors, and I think it came out really cute. The table came out really fun. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So the tablescape is basically sweet but with rustic and farmhouse incorporated. So I think it came out really cute, and I think you guys would like it. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you right now how it came out. And I'm going to show you the things I used and where I got the stuff from, because a lot of these stuff you can use for, you know, other times, especially for Easter coming up. You can use some of these stuff for the Easter tablescape you're going to do. Okay, let's start with this one, the pink one, because I have green and I have yellow and blue. All right, so let's start with this one. I'm going to explain what I used and where I got it from, so maybe you guys can go and buy it if you're interested. Okay, this placemat is from Kohl's. So I got this many years ago with these napkins. So that definitely you cannot pick up now, but you can look at other stores. I don't know any in hand that have, you know, placemats similar to this, and you can find napkins like this in Home Goods. I didn't see any in Hobby Lobby. All right, so these wooden chargers are from Target Dollar Spot, I think 2 years ago, but they had it this year too. And these plastic ones were from Michael's, and they're plastic, so they won't break. All right. So those were from Michael's this year, and they were, I think, $4.99. You know, you can wait for the 40%. I picked up these plates from Hobby Lobby and the little cake stands. So they come in 4 different colors. So they come in this green, they come in this yellow, in this blue. So let's get back to the pink one. All right. So I forgot to tell you, when I got these chargers, I got these little love signs at Michael's too. You've probably seen the haul. And then these little tin galvanized buckets I got from Hobby Lobby. And then put in there little cake liners. And then I put the conversation hearts. So, and then these glasses are from Pioneer Woman. And then these little wooden chargers were from Target Dollar Spot. All right. And these big lollipops were fake lollipops, but these were from Hobby Lobby. So I used those, which I regret not buying a whole bunch of them, because I would have loved to put those on top of the plates, but I only got 2 of them. All right, so and then this is my centerpiece. I hope you guys can see. So that galvanized tray is from Hobby Lobby. And so right here, the centerpiece, I put conversation hearts and just candles in there. It looks really pretty. And the candles from Dollar Tree. The glass cylinder jars are from Dollar Tree too. So I think it came out really pretty, the centerpiece, and it goes with everything that I'm doing. I love the centerpiece. It just ties everything in together, that with those conversation hearts and the candles. So I think it's going to be very beautiful for Valentine's night. When I have dinner for my children, we're going to stay home and we're going to eat home. And this is what I prepared. And I think the table looks pretty. Okay guys, so that's it for my tablescape. This is my Valentine's tablescape this year. I think it came out really fun, sweet, with a little rustic in it. So I like the way it came out. I'm really, really happy with it. It's just such a fun table scape that I created. And a lot of these things you could use for Easter except for the hearts, because you know the pastel colors would be perfect for Easter and for spring. So this tablescape is a very sweet tablescape. I just really enjoy doing it, and I hope you guys like it. And you can incorporate this with spring decor, Easter coming up. This would be very pretty for like a little tea party. So if you like my tablescape, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and let me know down in the comments below if you liked my tablescape and what was your favorite. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!